Welcome to our beginner's guide on identifying the right and wrong sides of a round piece of fabric. In this video, we'll show you simple ways to tell which side is which. That sounds a bit harsh, so another way of thinking about it is that there's a front and back side to your work. For most amigurumi, we need to keep the right side always facing you. The side you want to be visible on your finished project is called the right side, while the side that remains hidden is the wrong side. The right side of the fabric is usually more vibrant and smooth. It's the side that will be on display once your project is complete. And you can see the right side looks like a bunch of veers. That's an easy way to identify it. Now let's look at the wrong side. This side tends to be duller. The texture might feel rougher compared to the right side. And you can see the wrong side has horizontal bars throughout the piece. You can also identify it by this. Since it's something that's as easy to forget to do, plus patterns, don't QQ it, get in the habit of flipping your work as soon as possible to make the right side face out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more crochet tutorials. Happy crocheting.